We're on film. Hello. Ah, yeah. Ooh. Whoa, hi Jan. Hi there. Boom ba doom ba doom ba doom ba doom. Hello. Hello there. Hello, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. You think so? You think so? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You had your shots today. 'Cause you're 4 months old. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You sure did. Ooh. And you cried and cried and cried, but not anymore. No, not anymore, really. You're not out crying anymore. You're all cried out. Now all that's left is happiness. Uh-huh. It is. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it is. Ooh. Ooh. That's a cute little face you got there. Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly. I should have called you Bartholomew. Yeah, like I wanted to. Yeah. Yes, I did. I did want to. But no, you were a girl. Yeah. Yeah, and Maggie and Lisa just wouldn't fit for you. No way. It had to be Jenny. That's right. That's right. Hi there. What you doing? What's Mommy doing? What's Mommy doing? There's Sandy. Look at Sandy. Look at Mommy. What's Mommy doing?
Jennifer. Hi there. Otto. Otto. You messed up here. Here we go. He's back.
What Mommy do? Wanna play the game? Wanna play the game? Oh, I can see you. I can see you. Oh, you don't wanna play the game. Okay. Yeah. So, how you feeling? You feeling much better? Yeah, you feeling much better?
Jennifer. Jennifer.
What you want, Mom?
Jennifer. Hey, Jenster. Jenny. Hi there. Otto. Otto.
Yeah. You're a silly girl. Say bye-bye to Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye to the people watching the movie.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.